Hey guys, welcome back to Reina's Crochet Corner. In this video, we'll be learning how to do puff stitch. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So we're gonna be using a 4mm crochet hook and a 4mm yarn. If you need these materials, I'll give you some time to go get them. Do your slip knot. I made a video on this already, but if you need to know how to do it, it's gonna be in the screen. Adjust your slip knot and chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have our chain of 10. The next step is to go into the first stitch from the hook, yarn over, and pull through all. Now this is the part where we're going to start our puff stitch. So first you're gonna go into the stitch and do double crochet. So yarn over, go into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Then we're going to do 4 more of those into the same stitch. Now you can see we have a little curve. Now you're going to yarn over and then go into the first stitch from the curve. Yarn over, pull through all. And then we got our little puff. Now I'm going to keep going with the chain and show you how it looks after I finish the chain.
One eternity later.
Now I'm done with my chain, and as you can see, I have a little puff here because that's where we did our puff stitch. If yours looks like mine, great job. You definitely did a puff stitch for the first time. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment on what you'd like to see next. This is Raina's Crochet Corner, where creativity wears a crown. Bye guys!